The Eden Project. One of the world's most forefront innovators in trying to protect and preserve the environment. Recently, it was the location of the G7 summit, with notable political figures and the Queen of England going there. Now, we could have done a vlog or another kind of video, but on the Adventures Out There channel, we like to think a little different. Hangloose Adventure. That is right. This is the fastest zipline in the No, it's not. This is the fastest and longest zipline in England. This was absolutely insane to go on and so much fun. It's in Cornwall. We went over the summer. It was an amazing time. We've put up a few videos as well, which I'll link right up there. If you enjoy this video, smash like, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and subscribe and share it out so that more people can see the content. Thanks so much for watching. I've been Adventurers Out There, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, I'll leave a link up to the Hangloose Adventure website, so if you want to book this for yourself or just find out more information, then you're more than welcome to do that.